Hello, in this video, I will show you concrete pump plunger cylinder. It is used in concrete mixing system of concrete pump trucks. The function of the plunger cylinder is to move the S-valve back and forth. Concrete pump plunger cylinder is very important part of concrete pump truck pumping system. The material of the plunger shaft is alloy steel. The material is super wear resisting, so that the plunger cylinder can bear very long service life for about 80,000 to 100,000 cbm. The selling points are fast delivery, wear resisting, long service life, multi-brands applicable. The applicable brands include Sani, Zonlian, Schwing, Putzmeister, Sifa, Cermak, etc. Besides concrete pump plunger cylinder, we can supply many other kinds concrete pump spare parts, such as concrete pump pipes, hoses, elbows, clamps, cleaning balls, etc. If you found our video interesting, please follow us.